Plaintiff Quenisha Bell says after her mother was murdered when she was 6 years old, the defendant, who is her older sister, looked out for her and taught her about birth control. Quenisha says she put a phone in her name for the defendant, but she stopped paying the bill. So she's suing for the bill and a cancellation fee. Defendant Carolyn Bell says she and Quenisha's father had 21 kids, and they were the closest of all of them. Carolyn admits Quenisha put her on her cell phone plan, but she claims Quenisha didn't give her enough time to pay the bill.
Prove your case.
Okay, well, Judge, me and my sister, we have the same father. When I was 6 years old, my mom was murdered. She was stabbed in her chest.
Sorry to hear that.
Oh, that's fine. And I looked up to my sister. She was like a mother figure to me. She took me to get my first form of birth control. She taught me about safe sex.
Good.
So she's my best friend until this money came between us.
Mm-hmm. You all hadn't fallen out prior to this?
No, we never had any problems.
Never?
I can tell her everything.
How long have you all been a part of each other's lives?
I'm 20, so 20 years.
Oh, okay, all your life.
I used to go to my father's house and visit every week with whom she stays with.
Good. You want to give me some background before we get into the phone bill?
Yes. Well, I would say we're like the Brady Bunch, but we call us the Bell Bunch because my dad has like 21 kids. But out of all of them, me and her always been the closest. Mm-hmm. You know what I'm saying? And then, I mean, like she said, anything she asked me for.
How many mothers?
21.
Probably. I would say probably about, no, because me and my brother have the same mom, and then the rest have their own mom. So I would say
20
like
different
20,
women?
20. Yeah.
What type of career did he have? Say he didn't have time to work? Is he still alive?
Yes, sir.
How old is your father?
He's 46. Yeah, 46.
That couldn't be possible. 21 kids at 46?
Yes, it's the first
20
three were all the
women?
same age. It's like...
What type of career has he had since your adolescent years? None?
No.
So he hasn't been able to pay child support on 21 children?
I think he was paying for like 2.
2?
Yeah, but I know for us.
So he left 19 children out there that he made and didn't pay for? I need him in here. Cell phone bill, let's get to that.
Okay, in like September of 2009, my sister came up to me and she asked me, can she put a phone in my name because she don't have any good credit. Mm-hmm. So I agreed to let her put the phone in my name because she my sister, she my best friend. I didn't have a problem with that at all. So we go to US Cellular, we signed a contract. I made her sign a contract because I watch your show. And so I made her sign a contract in US Cellular to state that she would pay for any cancellation fees, any phone bills, anything that had to do with the phone that make my credit bad, she would pay for it.
Okay.
She haven't paid for it. And now it's on my credit.
Young lady?
First off, I'm the one who decided to sign the contract, if you remember correctly. I said, let's sign the contract just in case. I really didn't think, we was gonna end up here. But the only reason why I haven't paid it is because she know I
Now, ma'am, you cannot blame your genes.
Oh, no, my kids were sick, so I was not able to go back and forth.
No, your genetics. I thought you were saying it's in your genes not to pay your responsibility.
No.
Oh, I'm sorry. I thought that's what you were saying. I'm sorry. Oh, okay. All right. Go ahead. I thought that's what you were saying. I thought you were saying I learned not to pay for my responsibility.
No. I was paying
from my daddy. Go ahead. I'll give him a hard time. I wish and pray he was here.
I already know. No.
Go ahead.
No, I was paying it and everything, but in March of 2010, I lost my job due to the fact that I have twins at home. So they were sick, they're asthmatic, and I was going back and forth to work. She knows that. So I was unable to pay it, but it's not like I was going to pay it because if you remember, in February, I didn't have to, but I took $450 and paid her phone bill.
A separate phone bill for her.
Right, in February, exactly. So
Did she agree to repay you?
No.
Did she agree to offset it against what you owe?
No, because the phone stayed on. It did stay on.
I know, but you paid it, right? For her.
Right, exactly.
Young lady, she pay your bill?
No, she didn't pay my bill. The phone I got for her was in my name for her. She paid her bill. That was her bill. That wasn't my phone.
So, I mean, it ain't like I wasn't going to pay it, is what I'm saying.
I don't know if you paid it.
You
You don't have
acted
any
as if
receipt.
you had paid something on her behalf for her.
I mean, it's in her name, so in a way it is.
Anyone else want to testify? Young lady, you want to speak?
Yeah, I'm
your name.
Tamara McMillan. I'm her best friend. But I was with her in February when she went to go pay the $450 on the bill.
Paid her earlier bill. It was her bill.
Yeah, it was her bill.
And she
went
paid
to
her
go
bill.
pay her bill.
All right, let's give her a hand. Pay your bill. Yeah, I guess that's what you want, a hand for paying your bill, something that you owe.
No, I don't.
You act like you really did something special. Paid your own bill.
Right, but what I'm saying is, if she'd have gave me time.
Ma'am, but you act as if, and she does too. I was with her. She paid her own bill.
I mean, I ain't saying.
She paid her bills. You're supposed to pay your bills. That was something you owed.
I got twins. $450 is a lot.
You owed it, ma'am.
Right, you're right.
You want to speak, sir?
Okay, sir.
I'm not going to tell you. As long as you don't have 20 kids out there in the street, huh?
No, not at all. I have 0 kids.
I need to stand up
I
and
have
talk to
0
you.
kids.
State
I
your
have
name.
0 kids. Ladarius Townsend.
How old are you?
20, sir.
You finished high school?
Yeah. No.
Why not? Well, at least you don't have any children. I hope that's the case.
I don't have no children.
Why haven't you finished high school?
Why? It's been in and out of the system, and
Where you live?
Rockford, Illinois.
What are you doing now?
I'm working on getting my mortuary license.
Good luck to you. Let's get back to the phone bill. She has no real defense, so she's going to pay you. She owes you.
Yes.
So you all going to remain good friends as sisters?
I mean, I love my sister more than anything in this world.
If you did, we wouldn't be on here.
But money is
I'd be on Judge Mathis if you love me.
money is money. This was business. This was business. We
What are you doing?
signed the
What
contract.
are you doing these days?
Well, at this moment,
Yeah.
I'm unemployment. You unemployed too.
I'm doing something with myself.
I'm
Do you have a
unemployed.
skill of any type?
Yes,
What type?
I know how to talk good on the phone.
A skilled trade or a degree of some sort or certificate of
No,
some
not
sort?
now. But I do want to look into criminal justice. I would like to be a parole officer.
All right, good. Well, you need to start. Perhaps if you can't afford a university, start at a community college. And when the economy is down like this is the time people should go and get training. This is the time you should enroll in skilled trades program or a community college or a university. All right? So you all go and do that. Just don't sit around smoking weed and drinking because you're not working at the moment. All right?
Yes, sir.
Have a good day. Judgment for the plaintiff.
I do love you. You was my big sister. You will always be my big sister. But we're just gonna leave it as that. We're not gonna do business.
Yeah.